Hi everyone, welcome to the video. So I just finished filming me putting things away and then the shopping came, so I've had to help my mum unload the shopping. So right now there's not really a lot of stuff, so I can't really help her put stuff away this week. But yeah, so in this video I'm going to show you guys everything that I got when I was out, but also I'm going to be opening up the package that I have been waiting like 4 days for. Because it has not been coming. This thing I ordered online yesterday, it didn't even get delivered at all. So first thing I'm going to show you guys what I got when I went to the shops. I went to the supermarket. I got this water which says, "Have we met before?" And I really like water like this because, you know, I've almost finished it because I'm not dry. And yeah, but guys, I know that I'm bringing also before I continue showing you guys what I bought. I know I did say I was going to wear my Minnie Mouse nightie or my Minnie Mouse shorty jammies, but I got these jammies a good couple of months ago and I've been waiting to wear them. I just completely forgotten that I had them, so I just decided to wear them tonight. So these are like, this is the top, white top to go with like light blue stripes. So guys, I'm gonna actually like leave my package for you. But guys, I got tiny coloring books and so guys, I got this notebook, and this will be handy for next week because I could use this as my to-do list and all that, and it'll be handy for next week. And then I have two new colouring books which was on sale. So guys, this is a Care Bear one, and I actually used to love Care Bears when I was little and all that. So yeah. So guys, I cannot wait. This is Care Bear so much, and I used to like love this one. And then guys, I got, you know how I had that scent coloring? You know how I had that scent coloring book? Well, I got it again, but this time it's not colour. Instead it's like this green picture. And these pictures look harder, so I cannot wait to try them out. I may actually start doing that one shortly. But now it's on, I've got my water bottle. I've got my water, so now it's on to open up my package. I got a bottle of shopping. And obviously it's around the front that has my address on it. And I don't feel confident enough to give you to show you the yes. I went to the supermarket to get all this. Because guys, if you don't know, I'm really into dogs right now, and I'm really into one particular breed of dog, which is sausage dogs. So I'm into that one in particular. So guys, this isn't even, like, I don't even know what I've ordered. Actually, I don't know. Oh yeah! I just wanted to, so I have a wee sausage dog and a big bag, and I think this is 2. So guys, I got a wee sausage dog, and I have a boy's name picked out and a girl's name for her. If it's 2, I'm gonna but guys, it looks like it's only one little wee sausage dog, and yeah. So guys, this is what my sausage dog toy looks like. I know it's really hard because I have to decide if I want to keep this sausage dog as a boy. I'll decision to make. Do I want the sausage dog to be a boy or a girl? I mean, like, the funny thing is the name's both out the letter S, so a boy is if this is my sausage dog, I want my sausage dog to be a boy, I would call him Sebastian. But if it's a girl, I had the name of either Sally or Sabrina, but I haven't really decided yet. So yes, guys, this is him. And I literally love Slush's dogs lately. So now guys, I'm going to end the video here mainly because I got 2 minutes until I have to go to my mum's room to put my programme on. It's a programme I've been watching all weekend. Last night Lizzie nearly put programme on a cliffhanger, which I was really annoyed about. So now guys, I'm going to go and then I'll see you guys tonight when I'm going to do a video. Bye.